The third one is uh, design data. In the design data, if I click here, the first one is typical section. Inside the typical section, there is enter typical section, select typical section, calculate, print typical section, and copy typical section. The first one is enter typical section. When you go to that the checkbox here, it asking for to create typical section. What is actually the typical section? If I open the canal drawing, this line, so suppose this is our drawing. So we will excavate. Suppose here the natural ground will be above anywhere. So when we make typical section, it's mean the line from here we will excavate area. So I draw a line here, which is this line, and we will give number to that line with the dimension line. So like this, we can create the typical section for a channel. So this is called the typical section. We will make this one later on. Then we can select typical section, calculate after attaching to natural ground. From here we will select typical section with the how many station. Suppose there are different typical sections, so we can attach to different station. From here calculate, it will calculate, then print typical section. From here we can print and copy. We can copy one typical section to other place. The next thing is profile grade. The profile grade is PGL. We in short we call this profile grade level of PGL. From here you can put the PVI data from the profile or manually, and then you can calculate, and manually you can put the data. The side slope, what is side slope? If I check the cross section, these are called the side slope. Sometimes it's vertical, sometimes in the slope, and here it's also showing this slope, side slope, and super elevation. So from here we can put the side slope, the fixed side slope offset. From here we can put the offset, put the sub number left and right. We can put the offset and side slope at fixed distance. Then the next thing is design variable. Suppose we are entering the value for the profile grade level, PGL level. There are two levels in the profile, one natural ground and then the other one is design, which is called profile. So for the different station we can put different elevation. Suppose we can put manually one by one, or the SE main right, SE main left, the slope for the both side. If I open any one typical section here, suppose I will open for the channel, this one. So for the channel there is no left or right super elevation, so we did not mention, but we put here. If I click the modify here, there is, suppose on the right side, if I open here, suppose here on the right side there is slope, so we can select that part from here and we can put here the SE main super elevation main right. We will just put this number name here, and from the value we will put here the value. Let's say this is main right, so from the station this one to the here we can put here suppose minus 0.015 lakh. In this side, the right side, there is 1.5% slope, minus down, going down, so we can put this one. So it will select for all the station. We will put only one name and we can attach the super elevation to all the station from here. Then the same like here, we can from here we can put values, and from here we can watch, review our value, and we can modify from here. Suppose these some values are by mistake are not matching to our profile, so we can modify here and double click and we can change from here this value. Then after we can save, and from here there are many things we can add and we can modify from here. So the first thing, we can put values here for a different variable. There are different variable. The width different varies, width varies slope from here, and we can modify from this mark. Okay, the next thing is print values. Print value mean if you want to print your profile grade, so from here select profile grade. From here select the station. Suppose for the last station I want to, and then you can print preview, print, or save to file. Suppose you want to check the print preview, so these are the values. It's written above here, as you can see, profile grade level for channel, and here you can print directly to the printer. Save to file. Save to file option here, you can save in the txt file. Here only we have one option, so we can save here the txt file. Suppose if I want to save this one, I will write this pgl. Suppose this is the gl, so if I want to print pgl, I will write pgl here. I will give name and channel 1, and then I will save, and it will save to the file. I can use this to another file like this, and then import data. Suppose you don't want to put manually some data, so from here you can put from the file txt file pvi data, point vertical intersection data, and the other thing, design variable data. What is this two? If I go here, enter from this profile grade level, the first one, this pvi data will come here. As you can see, station, there are station pvi, this point of vertical intersection. If you open in any profile, you will see there, and length of vertical curve. If I will check, if I open any one profile here, we will check this profile. So from here you will put the bus here, the bus station 0 in elevation. There is no vertical curve data. For the next one, you will put this pvi station, pvi elevation, this 2, this station, this elevation, and the length of vertical curve. How much the length of vertical curve? Suppose this is the pvi station, so this station, pvi elevation, and length of vertical curve. So these three things from the vertical curve. From here you will put this station, this the elevation, and this of the length, and it will automatically calculate all the option how many you have. And the last one, for the last one, the last and the first will not have any vertical curve data. It will be 0, and the rest they have, you must put the value, because here in the channel we don't have any vertical curve, so I did not put here. And then you can calculate. So from this one you can bring directly this data here, and the design variable. What is design variable? These are the, if I check here, the variable 1, variable 2, here this you can see v1, v2, v3, and these variables. Suppose if I go to a typical section, sometimes the width of the channel here, this the fix is this fix, but sometimes in the road we have varies lane width, so we instead of putting one value, same like here I put, suppose here the distance 18.5, I just put here v1, and in this place we put the different value. So when we put here the v1 variable, we save here, and then we go this place. From here we select the variable one, and from for the station to station we put the values, different values, and then we go to modify, and from here we modify that value. If it is not matching, we are exactly what we have in the road, we put here by manually just modify, and we put, but now I did not select, so we did not selecting here.